Hello, and welcome to this series of short videos exploring the technologies of virtualization and cloud computing. In this first video, I'll be discussing virtualization. What is it, and why is it important? So let's get started. Suppose you're a software developer, and you've just finished coding a killer online app. Now you just need to make it available to the world, and fame and fortune are sure to follow. So you get yourself a server because you need a way to run your app. But just what's inside this box called a server? Let's have a look. Almost all servers have the same basic components: central processing units or CPUs, memory, disk drives, and network interfaces. Servers often have multiples of each for capacity and redundancy. And over time, everything gets bigger and faster. CPUs have multiple cores, memory is denser, disks hold more data, and network speeds keep increasing. All this makes our server a very powerful box. But our application needs multiple tiers. There's the web front-end tier that sits outside our firewall and accepts incoming connections. There's the application server tier that has our application's business logic. And there's the database backend tier that holds our data. To support these functions, we need a bunch of boxes. As we run more and more applications, we need more and more boxes. But with such powerful servers, many systems are barely utilized. This means much of our hardware investment is being wasted. So what if we could take the physical CPU and make it look like multiple processors? And what if we could do the same thing with system memory chips? And do the same thing with network interfaces? And disk drives? In short, what if we could make a single physical server look like a whole bunch of servers? This is the motivation behind virtualization. Virtualization takes a physical system and makes it look like multiple systems. So rather than having lots of servers that are barely doing anything, we can have fewer systems that do more. In the next video, we'll take a look at virtualization in practice. See you then.